Hi everyone, my name is Tony Correa, and tonight I'm going to be talking about what is the difference between shared hosting and cloud hosting. Yes, so let's get started. In number one, we have shared hosting. It's the most widely used and affordable type of hosting service. In shared hosting, many websites share the space of one physical servers and its resources. So, for example, imagine that you go to a hotel and you are going to hire a room, but in this room there are many people living in this room. In this room, for example, there are, like, let's imagine 10 or 12 people. They are using the same shower, they are using the same closet, for example, and you also are going to share with them because you are using a shared room. This is compared to shared hosting. What does this mean? That you're going to be sharing resources with other people, and sometimes there is like a downside because there are many people. Yes, that is what shared hosting means. It's not only for you, but it's for you and for other people. Yes. Okay, now let's talk about cloud hosting. It's a great option if your site needs a more powerful hosting solution compared to shared hosting. It's also very powerful and flexible. In other words, what does this mean? Now imagine going to another hotel. Let's name this Hotel California, for example, and you're gonna be having a room especially for you. Yes? And if you don't like that room, you're gonna be choosing another one, because in cloud hosting, not only you're going to have one room for you, but you are going to have more rooms available for you. For example, if you go to room number one and you go there and try to sleep and try to watch TV, for example, and if the TV doesn't work, you move to another one. If there is a problem, you move to another one. Yeah, that's mainly the difference between shared hosting and cloud hosting. In shared hosting, you are going to share everything with other people, and in cloud hosting, you are going to have exclusive service for you. And obviously you're going to, like the hotel is going to be giving you more resources for you. And if these resources don't work, they are going to provide you more resources, more and more and more. So you are going to be very comfortable. Yes. Now let's imagine. Okay, an ambulance, I guess. Okay, so now let's imagine you don't like that hotel. You move to another one because the hotel in this place is like noisy. So you move to another one because you bought a service with cloud hosting. Yes? Can you imagine this? Okay, now guys, I'm going to be recommending you which company is best for you. So now, talking about best. Okay, so which one is best for me? So it depends on your needs. For example, if you are starting a business, for example, or any website you want to, you want to have, I recommend you going with shared hosting. Yes, what does this mean? In shared hosting, for example, let's open this window with the guys from Hostinger. For example, in shared hosting, the first point is that it's gonna be costing you it's gonna be very cheap, very cheap, because you're going to be sharing resources with other people. For example, with Hostinger, the cheapest plan is going to be costing you $1.99 per month. So for example, you're going to host one website, standard performance, 50 gigabyte storage, one email account, and many other features. What does this mean? That is best if you ever want to start a website. Obviously, you're going to be choosing the plan that you most like, right? For example, you have the single, the premium, the business, and the cloud startup. Yes? Okay, so that is what I mean with shared hosting plans. I recommend you Hostinger because they offer you a free domain and also web hosting, right? Now, if you ever want to choose cloud hosting, I recommend you going with the guys of Cloudways. Why Cloudways? Because they offer you the best Cloudways according to your needs. So, if you choose to go with cloud hosting, you need to have like a technical knowledge, you know, because in cloud hosting, it is required that you know how to manipulate your the system. Yes, it's not easy. So for share hosting, it's very easy. For cloud hosting, you need to be a little bit techy. You know what I mean? You need to know more technical. You need to have technical skills in order to set up your website. Yes. So for this, I recommend you going with the guys from Cloudways. Why Cloudways? Because Cloudways offers you more opportunities. For example, let's see the plans, and you are going to realize what I am talking about. For example, if you choose, for example, Cloudways is the company that works with DigitalOcean, Amazon Web Services, and Google Cloud. Yes, for example, if you choose DigitalOcean, you're going to get you're going to pay $14 a month. Yes, this comes with, for example, RAM 1 GB, processor 1 core, storage 25 GB. Yes, and many other features. Bandwidth 1 TB. Obviously, this is a little bit techy, as I told you before. For example, also you can choose the Amazon Web Service system or web hosting. Yes, as you can see right here, the cheapest package is going to be costing you $38 with 56 cents per month. RAM 2 GB, the processor 2 core, storage 20 GB, and the bandwidth 2 GB. And also, obviously, more features if you choose to go with the guys from Amazon Web Services. And finally, Google Cloud. Yes, I guess is the best. Yes, for best. Well, it's not best about pricing because it costs much more. Okay, so for example, the basic plan is going to be costing you $37.45 per month. The RAM, in the first plan, for example, I'm talking about this one. You're going to be getting a RAM of 1 GB and 75 GB, right? And processor of 1 core, storage 20 GB, bandwidth 2 GB, and many other features. Yes. So don't forget that I'm going to be dropping my links down below for you to buy your hosting with discount. Obviously, I recommend you, if you are starting a website and you are starting in the world of web hosting, I recommend you going with Hostinger because it's the best for me. Well, according to what I experienced, because I have my website hosted with Hostinger, it runs smoothly. And when I bought this plan, I bought my domain and also my hosting, and yeah, it's working well. If you want to buy cloud hosting, I recommend you going with the guys from Cloudways because they offer you many options. Yes, for example, the cheapest plan is starting from $14, and also you can scale up to $99 per month. It's according to your needs, right? Okay guys, I hope that my review has been helpful for you. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you liked my video and subscribe for me to create more content. Yes, I hope you have loved my video. If you haven't, I just appreciate that you were watching my video. Thank you very much. Bye bye.